Hello, everyone. Great to have you back. I'm a new mom, and today I want to share some important tips to help you feel good and confident while breastfeeding. As breastfeeding mothers, it's very important to take good care of ourselves. Our babies can only be well if we feel healthy and strong, too. First, let's talk about nutrition. As moms, we need plenty of nutrients to produce enough high-quality breast milk. I regularly eat foods such as fish, eggs, milk, meat, beans, nuts, fresh vegetables, and ripe fruits. I divide my meals into several small portions throughout the day, and I drink about 2 liters of water daily, so my body has enough fluids to produce milk. I avoid spicy, fatty, or pickled foods. I also limit foods like cabbage and parsley, as they may reduce milk supply. Alcohol, coffee, cigarettes, and other stimulants are a big no for me. I only take medication after consulting my doctor, and once my menstrual cycle returns, I also think about choosing a suitable method of contraception. Now I'll briefly show you how to use a manual breast pump. First, wash and dry all the parts, then reassemble them correctly. Gently place the funnel on your breast and slowly squeeze the handle until the milk begins to flow.